How to download VMware Workstation. This video I will show you how to do that, so subscribe to my channel. So first thing, go to Google and type VMware Workstation, go to the first result. Okay, make sure the vmware.com. Okay, and click download Fusion or Workstation. So I would after I click on this, I need right now to create an account here. Okay, so go here, click register, and right now I need to put my email. Okay, so I will put the email. So I put my email and I will type here the captcha code. So after I do that, I click next, and after that they will send me a verification code to my email. So I will check my email and I just received the code. So right now I need to type the code that they send it to me. Okay, just do the same steps to download the VMware Workstation. Okay, so after I putting the code, I click verify and continue, and after that I need to put this information. So I will do that right now. Okay, so after I put my information, I I check here, I accept terms of use, and I click create an account. So after that, scroll down and click I will do it later. So after I finish that, I click here login. And right now we need to log in with the email and also with the password that we use it to create this account. So here I okay. So I log in to this account. You need this account to download the VMware workstation. Okay. So after I do that, I will go here again and I click download Fusion or workstation, and they redirect me to this page. After that, I will go to my dashboard. Okay. And here, okay, choose close. And here I need to type vmware workstation. And as you can see here, they show me these options. I click VMware Workstation Pro. I will click here, and they redirect me again to this page. So I will click here, and right now they redirect me again to this page. I will scroll down, scroll, and I will um, choose this link. Click on this link, and they redirect me again to another page. Just focus with me, okay? And right now I need to go here and choose VMware Workstation 70 for personal use. Okay? Make sure to do that. And click on the last version. I click here. They redirect me to this page. So I will click here. I agree to terms of use. And I click here. And I choose yes. They redirect me again to another page. And right now, here we need to complete the information. So complete the information right now, as you can see here. And after that, make sure you choose I agree and click submit. Okay, so right now they redirect me again to the same previous page. So right now I will click here, and the download is started directly. As you can see here, VMware Workstation full. So I will wait until the VMware Workstation is downloaded, and I will install it again with you. Okay, so after I download the VMware Workstation 70 Pro, I got this. I choose run as administrator. Choose yes. And here he is. Right now, we are going to install the VMware Workstation on Windows. So I will choose next. I accept. Next. Um, check this. Next, check both of this. Okay, and next, install. And right now, installing VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so this is how to download and install the VMware Workstation on Windows. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.